Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome back. My name is Will. This is the Wimmy YouTube channel. If you're new here, stop what you're doing, scroll down below, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's totally free to subscribe to the channel, and what that's going to do is keep you up to date with all the new content that I'm putting out there. So if you like, the Bronco, you like the Ram TRX, go ahead, hit that like button, hit that subscribe button. It's going to help me out. So yeah, go ahead and do that. But for today's video, we're going to be talking about the Bronco back there again, and in particularly those 4 lights right there that we have installed on our pre-runner front bumper. So these are the Amazon special knockoff Baja design LP9 lights, or LP6s. They're the same size as a Baja Design's LP6, but they look more like an LP9. I have these on my Ram TRX, and I get a lot of questions just from people asking, what the output is like, how are they holding up to, wear and tear. So I just figured I'd make a quick video, guys, today, just showing you everything. So let's go ahead and check out these lights, and then I'm gonna go ahead and give you a quick demonstration of how they look at night. And yeah, let's just go ahead and get into it. So for those of you that know, this is my 2022 Bronco wall track. And right up here, you can see we have the 4 knockoff Baja design lights. So like I said, they're the same size as an LP6, but you see how there's 9 like LEDs basically in there. So they're the size of an LP6, but the design kind of looks like an LP9. So these are 5-inch diameter. They also do sell them in a 7-inch. I'm going to have product links for everything down in the description below for the 5-inch lights, the 6-inch lights, as well as the yellow lens lights. These are the clear, but you can also get them in yellow as well. And just like the Baja designs, they're cool in the sense that you can also wire to a separate switch, or if you want them on at the same time, an amber backlighting as well. So I'll go ahead and I'll show you that as well. So if you have like, a Raptor, or you have like these Raptor style lights up there, they do complement each other very well. So like I mentioned, I did make a video very similar with my Ram TRX. You can see them, I have them right in there, but for the TRX, they're kind of flush mounted behind the grill. Sorry, it's dark outside, so it's kind of hard to see. So on here, there's nothing obstructing the view, so you'll definitely get way more output this way. So that's why I kind of wanted to go ahead, just demonstrate for you guys. And again, it's going to be 4 lights versus the 2 lights. So on the TRX, the output really isn't all that much because it's just 2 small lights, but on the Bronco, it's a huge difference having, it's technically twice as much light output. So yeah, I'm going to go ahead, kill the lights in here, just give you a quick demonstration of what it looks like inside here, and then we'll go ahead, go to a darker area where there's no lights, and I'll show them for you guys. So I got it relatively dark in here. Let me go ahead, come up inside the Bronco, and I have them wired up to the aux switch. So this one right here, auxiliary 5, that is for the amber backlight. So let me go ahead and I'll show you how that looks. So you can see, like I had mentioned earlier, really complements the 3 Raptor style lights up there. And just a quick representation. They do look super sweet in my opinion. So we'll go ahead now and just a quick demonstration. You can see that this is just with the headlights on. Go ahead, hit auxiliary switch 6, and now the full lights are on. So I know it's like a pretty shitty representation, but like you kind of get the idea. So I'll jump out now, show you what they look like. You're really not gonna see too much. It's gonna be a bunch of light scatter on actual video, but yeah, the output is pretty good, especially for the price. These lights, I think they're like 50 or 60 bucks a piece. So, for that price, they're a pretty quality, light. Again, they're a knockoff, but they're pretty good for what they are if you're not looking to, break the bank with Baja designs. So I'll go ahead, let me turn off the headlights, and then you could just see what they look like with just, there you go. And now, again, the headlights are off. and that's still the output right there. So more than enough, you know, light coverage in my opinion, even without the headlights. So let's go ahead, get to a darker area. We'll find a dark little private road and I'll give you guys a good light show. Okay guys, so pretty dark road here with just the headlights. Let me go ahead and flip on the lights. You can see, kind of hard to see, but hopefully it relays on video. So definitely good difference in light right there. Obviously it's gonna be nothing in comparison to the real Baja design lights, but you know, for some cheap Amazon lights, these are pretty sweet. Let me go down here, just give you a good representation. I'll turn it around here since there's lights over here, but let me. So I mean, you can see right here, and again, go ahead and flip them on. Boom, super bright. All right, so now we got the headlights turned off, and I'll just flip those on real quick, and there is your light output. Pretty sweet. And I'll go ahead, let me put this in park, and they'll jump out. You can see what they look like just on the truck. Really sweet, cheap little lights. And again, you could get, you know, all four of those for, you know, I think less than 200 bucks. So yeah, pretty sweet. And again, the output, I can't complain for the price. Again, don't have the expectation of a real Baja design light. And as long as you realize that and don't have that expectation, I think you'll be pretty happy with these lights. I've had them on the TRX, I want to say for almost a year. I think I installed them around like Christmas time last year. So yeah, almost a year on the TRX. No leaking, no condensation. They still work perfectly fine. All the LEDs are just as bright as the day I installed them. Super easy to install, by the way. It's just a positive, negative, and then a separate wire for the actual backlight. So yeah, super simple. Pretty good quality for the price. I can't complain. So let's go ahead and get back to the house. All right, so that's really gonna do it for this one, guys. Just wanted to go ahead and again make a quick video for you guys, just kind of demonstrating these lights. Again, I've gotten so many questions on these things, and I just wanted to go ahead and give you guys a little bit more information. I don't regret installing these whatsoever. Now, if I was out in the desert and I was actually pre-running, yeah, I'd probably spend the extra money on some Baja designs, but these are perfectly fine. So you can install these on your Bronco. Again, I've installed them on my Ram TRX. You can install them on side-by-sides, four-wheelers, whatever. They're gonna work perfectly fine. I've also heard a few people actually install these for headlights on like motorcycles, which I think is a pretty cool idea as well. So yeah, just wanted to go ahead, give you guys one little look. You can see them on the TRX. I got the rock lights and everything on there right now. So I need to go ahead and install a rock light kit on the Bronco as well. Just that way they'll look just kind of cool. It's a little bit of truck rice, but I think they look sweet. So yeah, if you want to see them, how I actually installed them on the Bronco, go check out the video up here. I did a full walkthrough, how I wired it up to the aux switch and everything, how I daisy chained everything all together. And if you want to see how I flush mounted them behind the grill on the Bronco and how I wired those also to the aux switch in the Bronco, go ahead and check out this video up here. So yeah guys, that's gonna do it for this one. Quick video. My name is Will. Don't forget, go down below, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, comment, let me know how you like these lights, and let me know what else you guys want to see. And I'll go ahead and I'll make more videos for you. So I'll see you guys in the next one. Have a good weekend, guys.